Good evening. Today I, Sathshree, am going to be talking about nature, God and the existence of humans. Nature, the beautiful creation of God. It was created in the beginning by God out of nothing. He created the universe with a plan and a purpose. God created nature and created man to have power over nature. He gave us this world to take care of and use wisely. God cares about all his creations and made it a beautiful place for his human inhabitants and other creatures. When we talk about nature, we utter that it's a precious gift from God to us. Then an important question arises. Do people think to preserve the nature? This question is raised many times nowadays because people aren't much cautious about the nature and its beauties. In fact, the ecological balance has been broken only by humans. But now we can just easily see the effects of that. There is deforestation and global warming all around the world. This means that we cut trees on a large scale for our own benefit. But whenever we do that, we forget and fail to plant another tree in order to help the nature to heal up itself. We cut trees on a large scale for our own purpose. Well, it's okay, but as I said before, we forget to plant another one for the nature to heal up. That is not a good thing. Evenly, when we are thinking about that, what happens is we think whatever is happening is for a bad reason. But as many people say, thanks to the belief in their God, whatever happens to us has a reason behind it and it is self-explanatory. Even if it's bad at the beginning, it has a very good reason and it's for our own benefit. People say that God is always watching us. Well, I say that is true because God has left behind a lot of evidence to help us know that He does exist, just that we cannot see Him. He's above all and watches everything. He's always watching you and protecting you from all harm. Our ancestors have been around for only 6 million years. The modern form of human have evolved for only 200,000 years ago. When we think that humans have been around for 200,000 years, we think that it's a long duration. But comparing that to the time of the lifespan of when the dinosaurs were here on Earth, when humans have been here, that is absolutely nothing. There is no comparison between the time periods. Civilization as we know it has been around only for 6,000 years. The people who were those part of the civilizations have known many things, including some secrets which we still aren't able to figure out today. Back then, there was no such thing as technology, and they probably didn't even know that there were other big civilizations other than their own. The first man-made satellite was launched in 1958 and was a huge milestone for mankind. When the satellite went to the outer space, we got to know many things about places that we didn't even know existed before that. Thanks to that, there's a lot of advancement and technology of the human race. If we can appreciate what God has done for us by doing all this for us, then why can we not believe that He is real? From all this, a question rises. Is God real? I say yes.